And today I have a special short little live where I wanted to share with you some cool books. This is the one I just got from my family. Santa's been really good to me this year. This is Marketing by Seth Godin. I'm a big fan of Seth. If you haven't read this book, highly recommend it. I'm looking forward to reading this one. It got good reviews. I'm in the middle of The Talent Code, which I'm really enjoying. Another good book. But here are 4 that I've read in 2018 and I want to share with you that you should put on your reading list if you haven't read them already. Hey Lori, nice to see you. Heather, hello. George is checking in. Good to have you guys. So let me jump right into it and show you what I recommend should be in your library and you should check it out. Here's the first one. No big introduction to my man Grant Cardone, of course. Everybody knows him. Be Obsessed or Be Average. This is a real wake-up call. If you want the success, if you want the wealth, learn from somebody who's walking the walk, and Grant sure is. If you want to go after big dreams, you want to get pumped, this will put you into the fast lane. Tons of inspiration and no nonsense advice from somebody who's doing it. Not theory, but practical stuff. Really enjoyed it. Highly recommended. Be Obsessed or Be Average. Best book on mindset I've read in 2018 is this one. This is called Outwitting the Devil. It's by Napoleon Hill. Of course, you all read Think and Grow Rich. I actually enjoyed this one even better. It's an excellent book about mindset, how we get stuck, how fear and procrastination and anger and jealousy prevent us from reaching our goals. Really good read. It is not a religious stuff, even though he's talking to the devil. It's really just a metaphor. Very good book. Highly recommend on mindset and growth. Here's my next recommendation. This one is called Relentless. It's by Tim Grover. Tim Grover, he is this is a book about achievement. Grover is an all-star trainer who took big legends, players like Michael Jordan and Kobe Bryant and Dwayne Wade, and made them even greater, even better. In the book, he describes how to reach the total dominance, not just in sports, but in business, in life, by becoming what he calls the cleaner. How to go from good to great to completely unstoppable. Excellent read, totally worth checking out. Relentless by Tim Grover. And the last one is kind of a fun read, and I really enjoyed it, by Jesse Itzler. You might recognize Jesse. This is a true story. Itzler is a successful entrepreneur. He's a wealthy business owner. This guy's been around. He's a founder of the Marquee Jets, owns the NBA team Atlanta Hawks. But what he describes in the book is his story where he was just kind of drifting. He wanted more. He wanted to get in better shape mentally and also physically. So he hires this unusual trainer, a guy who is by many considered the toughest guy on earth, and he who is an ex-Navy SEAL who moves in with Jesse into his apartment in New York City, in Manhattan. So if you want to know how to step out of your comfort zone, you want to know what real commitment is, great book, fun book, definitely recommend Living with the SEAL by Jesse Itzler. So there you have it, my friends. These are the 4 books I recommend should be on your reading list. Living with the SEAL, Relentless, Outwitting the Devil, and Be Obsessed and Be Average. How about you? Any good reads that you can recommend that I should check it out for 2019? I'm in the middle of the Talent Code, which is good, and I'm looking forward to reading this one. But if there's more that you can recommend, let me know. I will be more than happy to check it out. All right, my friends, that's what I wanted to share with you. I thought it was helpful. Who said that? Readers are leaders. Who was it? Jim Rohn, I think, wasn't it? Good book. Get in a habit. I read 20-30 minutes minimum a day, and it's really changed my life reading these good books. I don't really read fiction, but nonfiction like these ones I think will help you. All right, guys, short little message before dinner time. Got to go and see the family. Hope you enjoyed this. I'll talk to you real soon. Coach Borino signing off. Let's go get him. Bye, everybody.